Germana's Academic Center for Excellence welcomes you to a brief tutorial on the topic of articles. In English, articles can be challenging to understand, so here are some tips to clarify the difference between definite and indefinite articles. You may ask yourself, what are these little words, a, an, and the, and why do they matter? There is actually meaning behind these little words. Articles indicate to the listener or reader if the identity of the noun is known or unknown. This is important because the articles create context, which helps understanding. Let's explore the two types of articles. There's the definite article, the, and the indefinite articles, a and an. Let's begin with the definite article, the. This article tells the listener or reader that the noun following the article is known to the listener or reader, or that the noun has been previously identified in the conversation or text. It clarifies that the noun is a specific or unique noun, not a general reference. Let's see an example of what this looks like in real terms. The instructor of my English class says that the test on articles will be next week. The first definite article, the, refers to a specific instructor, the instructor of my English class, not any of my other instructors. The other definite article used also identifies which test, specifically the test on articles. By using the definite article, the listener or reader doesn't need to ask which instructor or which test. It is clear. Now let's explore the indefinite articles a and an. In these cases, the identity of the noun is not known to the listener or reader, or it has not been previously mentioned. The indefinite article could also indicate that the noun is not meant to be specific and is instead being used generally to refer to all nouns in that same group. Let's look at an example to see what that means. A classmate in my English class comes from a country where the people speak Spanish, but I'm not sure which country it is. This first indefinite article, a, tells us that I'm referring to one of my classmates, who I am introducing into the context for the first time. For the listener or reader, this could be any of my several classmates. Moving forward, I'll be able to refer to this classmate as the classmate. This second use of the indefinite article, a country, indicates that it is one of many countries where Spanish is spoken. So it is not specific because I cannot identify which country the classmate comes from. So what's the difference between a and an? They are both indefinite articles, but deciding which one to use depends on the starting sound of the word immediately following the indefinite article. What does that mean? It means that we use a if the following word, which could be an adjective or a noun, starts with a consonant sound, not just a consonant letter. We say a cat, a happy cat, a university. And we'll use an if the following word starts with a vowel sound, not just a vowel letter. Here's what I mean. We say an affectionate cat, an hour, an umbrella. Now let's look at all the articles together. An English instructor gave her students a lesson on how to use articles. When the instructor saw the results of the homework she had assigned after the lesson, she realized that she would need to review the usage of articles with the entire class. We start by using indefinite articles because we are introducing this particular English instructor into the conversation or reading context for the first time. We are also introducing the lesson on articles that she gave for the first time. As we continue the conversation or text, we can refer to that English instructor and lesson as the instructor and the lesson. We also use the definite article the before results and homework because they are specific results of the specific homework that was given after the lesson on articles. We use the in this case because we've already mentioned that the lesson was about article usage. Finally, we use the before entire class because there is only one full class who did homework after this specific lesson. It's no wonder that the definite article the is the most commonly used word in the English language. As we can see, proper use of articles definitely improves English communication by providing context. For more great tips and academic resources, visit the Academic Center for Excellence. We're here to help you.